Hi everyone! Nandito po kami sa Wizard Lake, in Edmonton, Alberta. Yan. So, isang kaibigan ng aming kaibigan ang nagpagamit ng isang kanyang cabin. So, we stayed here for 2 days. Dahil long weekend po dito. That's the flag of Canada. That's the flag of Canada. So, as you can see, this is the, yan. So, in-stay po namin ang lake na to for 2 days. One overnight and maya-maya uuwi na po kami. And it's a great experience. Why? It's because just relax, one form of relaxation is, mag-unwind, mag-reflect sometimes. So, yan po ang lake. Yan. So, see? Yung ganda-ganda. That's it. So, sa lahat po ng mga ka-HB, ka-human beings, at sa lahat ng mga subscriber ko po, God bless us all po. This is your AI, acronym individual. Yan. See? Ayan po, oh. Napakalinaw pa rin ang tubig. So, I'm gonna show you the full view po ng Wizard Lake. It's in Edmonton, Alberta. God bless us all.